Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it has been a minute, but I have missed y'all and I have missed making videos. So I just want to give a little update because like I said, I know it has been a minute, y'all, but I have been out here living my best life, okay? Really. So I want y'all to know that I have not neglected my YouTube channel, but I have been really busy. I finally found some time to get back in my groove and start making my videos again. Oh my god, I just miss making my videos and struggling with my camera and my backdrop. I just missed all of it, the whole shebang. I finally got my hands on the It's My Ray Ray palette. I know I'm like late in the game, but I don't care, y'all, because this palette, every time it came in the store, it sold out, and every time it got restocked online, it sold out. It's just like the most beautiful palette ever, and it's just so compact. It's amazing, y'all. So I can't wait to do a tutorial and a little review on this palette. Like I said, this is the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I love her, by the way. So since I've been away, I've also snagged some little goodies, and y'all know my favorite brand is Too Faced. So I got the melted latex lipstick. It's the liquefied high shine lipstick in Strange Love, and I actually do have it on now. It's been on for a while, so it's really worn down, and I did it in combo with another color. And I also got the I Want Candy liquid liner. I also have a tutorial coming from one of my favorite palettes. It is the Galaxy palette from BH Cosmetics. The colors are so pigmented, oh my god, and they're shimmery, and they're named after like planets and asteroids, and oh my god, it's just amazing. So I can't wait to do a tutorial with this palette. I do looks with this palette all the time, especially when I want to do like dramatic and just, oh my god, y'all just have to wait and see. Thank you for tuning in, y'all, and I'm glad that I'm back at it. I miss my YouTube channel so much. It's a lot of work and it's very frustrating at times, but I love making these videos for y'all, and I hope you enjoy them too. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss these videos. Oh my god, they're about to be off the chain. And turn those notifications on because you want to see them as soon as they drop. Bye.